Everyone, have you ever wondered how to add an administrator on your Facebook page? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that using your laptop or PC. This method will be the same if you are using a phone. Okay, this is my page. Okay, scroll until you find those three dots here. Click on this picture, and then you come to admin. Okay, so from here you can see page management history and then page access. So you click on page access. Right now, those are the people that are managing this page. You can click add new. You go next. So I'm gonna look for the person I want to add. Make sure you give this page to the right person. Okay. You can also search that person using his email. So this is the person I want to add. Okay. So you can give this person full access. You can even delete the page. So you need to be very careful. Okay. I just want this person to be able to create, manage, or delete post, story, okay, and more. But he cannot delete the page or change the ownership of this page. So I'm not going to activate here. I'm going to say just give access. So they're going to ask you to enter your password. Okay, they're going to send a code to my email to confirm. I'm going to enter the code. And then I'm going to click continue. Okay, as you can see here, I have sent that person an invitation. So that person got 31 days to accept this invitation. Okay. So I'm with the person right now. It's me here. So he already logged on his Facebook page. We're gonna show you how it look like. So if we click here, notification, you can see here, they say someone have invited you to manage this page. So you click OK, accept. You can decline or review this invitation. I'm gonna say review. So those are the features that I can do, that person can do with this page. I'm gonna show next. I'm gonna accept or decline. So they just send me another code to his Gmail account. He's gonna log on his Gmail account. So we got the code. And then confirm. And then it's done. So from here, I can switch to that page so I can start managing that new Facebook page. Okay, I can just say switch now. So from here, I do have access to this Facebook page. As you can see, I can create post, okay, and delete post. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it,